Tyres, we tend not to think about them unless there's a problem, and that's not ideal. Now, in a perfect world, we check them every time we drove our car. But let's be honest, life's not like that. Now, on an older car, it's very sensible to check your tyres every single week, but on a more modern car, knowing we're a busy bunch, motor manufacturers actually created a little device that does that work for us. And that's called a Tyre Pressure Monitoring System, or TPMS for short. So how does it all work? Well, basically there are two kinds of systems, and the first is this little fella. He lives inside your tyre, sensing the air pressure all the time and sending a signal wirelessly to your dashboard so you can check it before and while you're driving. Now, that's all good, but occasionally the batteries die or they can get damaged, in which case you're going to need a new one. The other system uses a bit of maths and physics and is very clever, using the speedometer system and the ABS system on your car. And what that does is measures the speed of the wheel's rotation relative to its brothers and sisters. Now, if the tyre is low on one corner, that wheel will spin very slightly faster than all the others, and the car's computer can work that out. With either system, if there's a problem, it will display it on your dashboard, and it's really important that you take heed of that and act on it immediately. Not just for safety's sake, but because on a car that's 3 years old or older, it's also an instant MOT fail. Don't worry if you don't know what to do, your local Envoy dealer is your resident expert, and they'll keep you on the straight and narrow. So make sure you've liked and followed for more amazing videos on the wonders of your TPMS.